This is Ray, W2RE, and I'm up here in Eastport with Bobby. And the last 2 days we've been working on an 80-meter foursquare here in Eastport. We got 3 of the verticals up already. Bobby's going to crank up the final one. Go ahead, Bobby. Show everybody how easy it is to crank up this 80-meter vertical from DX Engineering. You got the winch there. Bobby's just cranking it right up, and here it comes. No issues. Comes right up into place. It's a beautiful manufactured vertical from DX Engineering. It's a quarter wave. These are heavy-duty versions. They're the 92-mile-an-hour versions, freestanding. No guy wires are needed. And there you go. It's all the way up. DX Engineering, 80-meter verticals. I'll give you a quick tour here of what we've done here the last couple of days. 2 days, really. Yesterday, we poured the concrete, dug the holes, built the verticals. Today, we installed the verticals. I'm going to come back here at the end of September and put the radials in when the grass is... I'm going to come and have it really mowed to the dirt. And here it is, right here. You got the radial plate at the base. I cut these for 69 feet because it's going to be a foursquare, so you got to make the quarter wave a little longer because of the 75 ohm match. We should be right around 3650. So this is the field we had brush hog the other day, and we worked quick, very quick. Basically 80-meter foursquare up in 2 days. Definitely the way to go is with these DX Engineering quarter wave verticals. You figure out the cost of these compared to doing Roan 25. Then you got to put Philly strand up, or you know, there are a lot of guys do foursquare differently. I think this is the best and easiest way to make it happen. Quarter wave DX Engineering verticals. I think these sell for I think they're $800 a piece. So $3,200 in verticals. Got the radial plate here. I bought the radio kits. The whole system, after said and done, is about $7,000. But it is a sweet way to do it. It's a warm day up here in Eastport, Maine. It's about 75 degrees. We've been working out here for the last 2 days. Drove the car out here. Here's the other towers. That's the Molt Tower. That's 6 meters. The big tower back there, and then come on over here. And we got the 170 footer back there. Holds the foursquare for 160. So let me get a zoomed out view of this foursquare. Let me walk away. Get the feeling for this thing. So there you go. Beautiful. I like the way it came out. DX Engineering really do a nice job with these verticals. 80-meter foursquare. It's going to be a huge improvement. People don't know that we were only using here on 80 with sloping verticals. A poor man's foursquare. Now we're going to have a real foursquare. We're going to put 64 radials under each radiator. And like I said, that we're going to come back at the end of September and put the radial field in. I'd like to get the ground mowed right to the dirt and put the radials in. So anyway, thanks for watching. Up here in Eastport, Ray, W2RE.